Question for you. I say your network is your net worth. Do you believe that? I do. So, the question for you is, do you know how to turn handshakes and business cards into meaningful connections? I'm Jaclyn Strominger, and I am your business coach to help you take handshakes and turn them into meaningful connections. I am your coach to help you transform that social club of networking into powerhouse of opportunities. So here's the question. What if I told you your next big client or break is hidden in that next handshake? Yep. I'm inviting you to an amazing workshop. It is Network to Net Worth, Unlocking Those Powerful Connections. At this workshop, you are going to discover the art of making lasting impressions. You are going to learn the science behind effective follow-ups and strategies that are going to turn your acquaintances into masterful clients. This isn't just another networking event. It's a true workshop where you will actively build skills and gain confidence to network with purpose, precision, and passion. So whether you're an entrepreneur or you're a business professional, or you're just someone looking to level up their career or maybe even find a new one, this workshop is your key to unlocking the world of opportunities. So are you ready to boost your business and elevate your influence and expand your professional landscape? I bet you are. Click to register today and see you at the workshop.